up YouTube? Jerryland here with Nova Tech, and today we're checking out my must-have summer tech. These are some awesome things that I found that you definitely gotta check out, and whether you knew it or not, in that last clip, you saw all 5 items. Kicking things off, we're checking out this guy. This is one of the craziest, most high-tech pieces of gear that I've ever tried, and I am in love. This is called the Dusk by a company called Anker, and check this out. Look at the lens. Clear, darker, darker, and darkest. And when I say darkest, those are the 4 preset settings on the actual glasses, but they have an app where you can go in and control the adjustability and make it even darker. How cool is that? Even on these things, as lightweight as they are, which I was crazy surprised by, I actually compared them to my Ray-Ban sunglasses, the Wayfarers that I wear every day. These feel almost exactly the same. It has conductive charging, it has 2 buttons on either side, one to control your audio, because yes, this has built-in speakers and microphones where you can use your phone's voice assistant, you can listen to music with open ear audio, and on the left side, you have your button that controls the 4 preset tint settings. Guys, this is amazing. Literally a game changer. How cool is that? I love it because I've always hated transition lenses. As a glasses wearer 24/7, I feel like with transitions, it just took so long for it to get clear. And I love that with just a few clicks, I'm able to go from dark sunglass mode to glasses mode where I can be inside of the store and see things properly. The fact that you can charge this from 0% to 80% battery in just 15 minutes was amazing to me. I love fast charging technology. This guy comes with its own magnetic closing carrying case as well as different replaceable nose pieces. So you gotta love this company, gotta love this piece of tech. Literally the most high-tech thing I've ever tested. Okay, so item number 2 is this guy. This thing that's been around my neck the whole time has saved me this summer. This is from a company called Taurus, and this is the Coolify 2 neck fan. I'm sure you've seen neck fans at Disneyland, at the zoo. You've never seen one like this. This thing not only is a neck fan with 3 different settings, it is an air conditioner with a cooling pad. This is also a heater for those cold nights with 3 different settings. This thing's got 2 buttons on it, a power button on one side, a transition button on the other side so you can toggle through the different settings, and it's USB-C charge. This thing has one drawback, it's a little bit on the pricier side. However, let me tell you from experience of trying 6 different neck fans, there's none compared to this. You can get the cheaper $30, $40 ones and they'll kind of do a little bit of something, but that cooling pad feature, game changer. What would your summer be like without some great tunes and a way to actually listen to them? This is the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, and let me tell you, it's one of my new favorite Bluetooth speakers. This thing is amazing. It is fully IP67 waterproof. That's an insane claim. It's incredibly loud. I love that you can actually charge a phone from this thing as well, and it charges via USB-C. You gotta love USB-C everything. This thing is lightweight, has a built-in carrying handle, that's my favorite way to hold it and carry it, but it also has a strap that comes with it. Love that it has an app where you can tweak the EQ and change the bass and treble settings. I love the little sticky pad towards the bottom, it's just rubberized for good grip. Of course, battery life is always a concern with speakers. 20 hours of playback time, never had an issue. Taking it to the beach, to the pool, camping even. This thing is the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, you gotta check it out. Yeah, so this is a unique one. This is our new fire pit coffee table that sits on our patio, and I'm in love with it. It's changed the game for us for the summer, because now we hang out outside, we get to enjoy a little bit of fire, whether it's in the morning, like right now, or at night. And the best part is, we get bugs, mosquitoes, flies, whatever. Fire keeps them away. It's got a super nice little marble pit. You've got this clear glass that goes around it. And even when you don't want it on fire pit mode, well, you can just take off the glass and it comes with a little metal cover to make this a full, just regular coffee table. It's got a built-in underside that's hidden storage for your propane tank and for a few other things. Of course, you gotta love not needing to bring a lighter and having that built into it. Super handy. So the Rinse Kit Pro has been an absolute workhorse for me this summer. From camping to going to the beach, going to the dog park, or even just cleaning off my patio, I am in love with this thing. The Rinse Kit Pro handles 3.5 gallons of water, and it has battery powered continuous spray. That's amazing. No pumping required. You're able to charge this thing via your car or a wall outlet, and I have loved it. That 3.5 gallons lasts me forever, and when you actually go to charge it up again, the battery lasts forever also. From the first time I charged it up fully to needing to charge it again, like I said, I keep it in my car and use it all the time, I think I went about 4 months without needing to charge it. It comes with a nice, super long hose, as well as a handle that has all different settings, just like a regular hose would in your backyard, and you're able to really clean things or cape a nice misted shower and just be able to enjoy being clean. Rinse Kit Pro. Get one. Hope you enjoyed this best summer tech video. All links in the description below. Hit that subscribe button. Time to go to the beach.